Bad Dog Bart has stolen all the dog and cat toys in the neighborhood, and there's gonna be some really grumpy pets unless the toys are found.
Man, oh man, that sounds terrible, Nature Cat. What can we do?
We might need some big-time help for this.
Hey, I don't know. Do you think this treasure map I just dug up might help?
Yes!
Bad Dog Bart must have left behind a map that shows where his stolen treasure is buried, and 3 different ways to get there.
Ooh, I wonder what we'll see in Colossal Caves.
What about Hidden Falls?
Critter Cavern sounds cool, because I love critters and I love caverns. It's a win-win for me, baby.
Which one should we start with? Hey, remember, when in a cave, we need to keep our voices down. Pal.
Colossal Caves is amazing, but be careful. The stalactites on the ceiling and the stalagmites on the ground can break easily, so no touching! Move right by tapping here. Move left by tapping here. And jump by tapping here. Move right and jump by tapping here. Friend! Oh, I love collecting glowworms. 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 I love collecting glowworms. I really gotta watch where I'm going. And check out all the glowworms we collected along the way.
Here's a cool tool. Kinda looks like a paintbrush, and we can use it to brush away the dirt ever so slightly to uncover these really neat fossils.
Okay, first we'll show you a picture, and then you need to start brushing the wall to uncover where the matching fossil is hidden. There may be more than one fossil, but only one that matches the fossil you're looking for. Happy hunting! Hey, come on, fellow cave hunter! I need big-time help! The next fossil you need to find is a trilobite. Hey, come on, fellow...
Glad I'm not scared of heights.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a trilobite. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find is...
Hey, that tickles.
Sweet job! Looks like you found an ammonite. Man, oh man, you're getting good at this. Here's another one. The next fossil you need to find is a brachio.
Hey, that tickles.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a brachiopod. There's no stopping you. Can you do it again? The next fossil you need to find...
Hey, that tickles.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a fern. There's no stopping you. Can you do it again? The next fossil you need to find is a fish.
Don't drop me.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a fish. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find is a shark's tooth.
Glad I'm not scared of heights.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a shark's tooth.
Great job! You're a natural cave hunter. We've uncovered all the fossils and earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault.
That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in the right place.
Hidden Falls has lots of underground streams and waterfalls. Did you know many caves are formed by water? But you know how I feel about water, so let's do everything we can to stay dry. We don't have move right by tapping here. Move left by tapping here. And jump by tapping here. Move right and jump by tapping here. I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend. How I love collecting glowworms. How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend. How I love collecting glowworms. How I love collecting glowworms. Congratulations, Cave Hunter! We made it through the tunnel in time.
I love flashlights because they're so flashy and so lighty and all at the same time. Uh-oh, it looks like someone left all their equipment in the cave. Let's help them get them back with our flashlight.
Here's the deal, peeps. First, we'll show you a picture, and then you need to search the cave with a flashlight to see if you can find it. Find all the lost equipment to earn a golden treasure vault key. Let's do it. We need to find a helmet. Looks like we found a helmet. Let's do it again. We need to find a backpack. Nothing over here. Let's look somewhere else. Looks like we found a backpack. Looks like you could cave hunt all day long. We need to find a hiking boot. Looks like we found a hiking boot. Let's do it again. We need to find a canteen. Nothing over here. Let's look somewhere else. Looks like we found a canteen. Let's do it again. We need to find a first aid kit. Nothing over here. Let's look somewhere else. Looks like we found a first aid kit. Oh yeah, man, you figured out this flashlight thing. Here's another one. We need to find a notebook. Nothing over here. Let's look somewhere else. Looks like we found a notebook.
Great work! We found all the lost items and earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. Yippee!
Oh, yeah, man. Great work! We found all the lost items and we earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. How cool is that?
That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in the right place.
Critter Cavern is filled with some of my favorite underground critter pals. But be careful, we don't want to disturb them. Move right by tapping here. Move left by tapping here. And jump by tapping here. Move right and jump by tapping. Friend.
The Ozark blind cavefish can sense movement in the water to help it find food.
My little glowworm friend.
The Coleman cave beetle has no eyes and eats other bugs like spiders, mites, and millipedes.
My little glowworm friend. How I love collecting glowworms.
Alabama cave shrimp are about the size of a marble.
I love collecting glowworms. All scorpions are tiny scorpion lookalikes, but they do not have the sharp sting of a real scorpion's tail. My little glowworm friend! The southern cave crayfish may live as long as 50 years. Congratulations, Cave Hunter! We made it through the tunnel in time.
Hey, I really want to take pictures of my cave-dwelling critter friends, but I'm not exactly sure how to find them.
If I may, Daisy, knowing the points on a compass is a super great way to figure out west, north, east, south. Looks like you need to find the cave beetle. Just head in the direction that the compass indicates. Tap one of the lit squares to move to that position. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave beetle. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you need to find the cave crayfish. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave crayfish. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you need to find the cave shrimp. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go south. Daisy, go east. Looks like we found the cave shrimp. We got another great photo. Let's do it again. Looks like you need to find the creek cave snail. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the creek cave snail. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you. Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need to find the little brown bat. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go south. Looks like we found the little brown bat. We got another great photo. Let's do it again. Looks like you need to find the bull scorpion. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the full scorpion.
Man, oh man, you really know your compass directions. We finished my photo album and we've earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. Sweet! That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in the right place.
Great work! All the special keys are in place. Now all we need to do is turn the handle.
Open sesame! I smell toys.
Oh no! There goes that really bad dog Bart! We've missed him again!
But we got the toys back.
And look at our glowworm dance party. This makes me want to go back and collect more glowworms.
These glowworms really can bust a move. Makes me want to join them.
Me too. Yay! Sweet!
Yippee! Let's shake it, baby!
Me too! Yay!
Let's dance!